What's up, boys? How you doing? Time for a Markley recap. Week 4, month of progress. Well, month of, attempting to progress, and we're gonna go over our trades. Not our trades, our record for the week. We're gonna go over how S&P did on the weekly. On the week, we're gonna see how QQQ did on the week, and think that's about it. We're going to go over those. No, then we're going to chart them we're going to find some hourly levels on both of them. And then we're going to talk about our new strategy going from here on. So we're going to talk about that and everything else around it. So let's get it, boys. Alrighty, so let's start off with SPY. Here's the weekly on SPY. Right off the rip on the weekly level, you see this is a nice bounce, 607.75. Just looking at that clearly. What else? We got bounces around here at 598.20. But anyways, this is not what we're doing. We're looking at the weekly candle. So right here is each candle represents a week. So we're going to look at this last one. Opened at 600, closed at 607.97. There's a high of 610, a low of 598. So about a $11 to $12 swing. Market ended up about a percent and 0.75% up on the week. So there's the SPYs. Let's go into the hourly, see if we can find us any levels for the week. And these levels are what we're going to be following for the week. So this is an hourly. How many days though? Okay, we go like that. How far back does this go? December 6th. Oh wow, okay, that's a lot. Yeah. So let's go on the hourly right here. See what kind of levels we got. You can see there's a decent amount right here at 607.80-ish. Call it. I like 607.80 to 607.70 for a bounce, maybe. Draw horizontal line. Yeah, that'll be a good bounce. Oh yeah. We can play that, and then if we fall even further down, the more recent ones, let's see. There's zone. I'd play a 602.70. Yeah, even just this past week, let's see how I respected this. It was bouncing off this level a lot. Alright, here. Around 607. Say a 607 level. So we'll play that around the 607 area. So there's two bounces right there, semi-close to each other, huh? 608, 607.72, and 701. Yeah, no, we gotta play one of those. So we'll only play one. We don't want to clutter it up too much. So we play that one because it bounces off all those a lot more. Then all the way down here is good. 602, 602.70 to like 602-ish area. You can play also for a bounce. It's pretty much all I'll look for on SPY right now. I don't want to put too many levels. Let's see. One more at 600. 599.50 to 600. To 599.50. And then let's go over to QQQ now and see how that one's doing. So let's see how it's doing. I meant to say, let's see how it did. So here's the weekly on QQQ. Look at that, came down and bounced the 21 EMA on the weekly. Shot back up. See how it performed. Open 524.48, close 529.63, high 533.82, low 520.06. That's a $13.76 range. plus 1.5% on the week. About a $7 move to the upside. Not bad for tech. Let's go on to the hourly, see if we could get us some levels. Jesus, this plays all funky. Okay, so as you can see, we got a zone right here. That 533 zone, 533 and a quarter. It's going to be on watch for maybe a third reject, a triple top and a reject. On the hourly, what else do we have? Anything crazy right here? Not really. Nothing too crazy. Maybe a 529 bounce I could see. 529.50. No, you gotta go a little further back to see what else we can find. Let's do a really big level first. So, let's see what area. Okay, 530. 530, 60-ish area. Let's see. Yeah, about 530, 60 area I like for a potential bounce. And then we got a gap here on the hourly that maybe comes to get filled this week at around 525.50. I'd like that. Even more downside. Let's see any other bounces. I like 516.50 for a potential bounce as well. 516.50 area for a bounce. As you can see, boom, we bounced that level. Breakthrough, kind of breakthrough, test it again, fall through it. We close on it, broke through, gapped up over. I think this could be okay levels. A good R3 for there. There's that. It's pretty much it. Plain and simple. Look, 3 levels on each. We're going to play off these levels and other, this indicator that I use, Grizzology. We're going to see if it gives me any good entries, and we'll enter in on that. So that's SPY and QQQ wrap up for you. Alright, boys, now to discuss the game plan and the strategy. Kind of winging it right now. I thought about it a decent amount this weekend. Still got all day to think about it, so maybe it changes tomorrow, but as of right now, just thinking at it, we're dropping down the account size drastically. I'm finding the middle ground. And I believe instead of the 5 TopStep we're always doing nonstop, dropping it down to 2. That's something I could definitely live with. And 2 TopStep accounts has the potential to be huge side income with little goals of aiming for tiny profits on them. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to be doing 2 50K TopStep accounts at a time instead of the 5. We're going to be trading him during the combine. We'll be doing 2 ES and half a NQ, so 5 MNQs. And then once we get to the express funded accounts, we're going to be doing 1 ES and 2 MNQ, and that is it. Take profits on them. For the combines, the 2 ES, I'm going to be aiming for, I'll be doing a 3.5 point stop. Sounds good. No, 4-point stop, so $400 loss max, which gives me 5 losses in a row to lose the accounts. So I think that's fair. Losing 5 in a row is crazy. So gonna do that, a 4-point stop loss on 2 ES, and then on MNQ it'll be a 25 to 30 point stop, so $250 to $300 loss. And yeah, we're just gonna ride out those dubs and run them up, pass it, and then when we have 2 accounts running, this way it goes from $1,000 for 5 accounts evaluation and then activation fees down to 198 times 2 only is 398, 396. So that drops it a lot, saves us about 600 every go around with that, which is, yeah, plenty. So we'll do that. That all sounds good. We'll play off our levels only. We're not going to be, I pointed at the screen behind me. We're playing off these levels only. We're not going to be just hopping in on EMA crosses and all that crazy shit. So we'll stick with that. And other than that, I think we'll be good. I'm going to try that out, stay disciplined with that. And yeah, I mean, those two accounts, when they're funded, have potential to do really well. And if we do land our first payout with it, instantly just going to buy the other three accounts with the payout money. And from there, that's how you earn those multiple accounts. So, got to find that consistency, add them, and slowly trade them with our XFAs. And when they pass, they pass. Whenever they pass, and just add them on to the XFAs. So, that's the game plan going into it. And other than that, I think we're good for the marketly the weekly recap of the market for SPY and QQQ. As you can see, I think I'm only going to be charting QQQ and SPY also, and based off those levels, trade NQ and ES. So that's the plan from now on too. I was charting QQQ and I was charting NQ and ES, but I'm really going to just stick with SPY and QQQ unless I get a signal off of NQ or ES on the Grizzology indicator, then maybe I'll consider taking it. Other than that, appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Unbelievable growth last week. I don't know what happened, but no, I know what happened. One of my videos got some traction. That 4.75K views right now, and it's having decent retention rate. I think like 8 to 10%. A lot of impressions. Over 150,000 people saw it. Decent amount clicked on it. Even more of a decent amount subscribed. We're up almost 1,000 subs this past week, which is absolutely insane. And let me know, maybe I do a week, maybe a quarterly instead of monthly for the YouTube channel. We'll do like a quarterly growth on our YouTube channel, just see how much viewers we've gained or people we've ran into, how many stayed, how many watched, all that. So I kind of like to track that progress. And I know a lot of people on YouTube like to see channels growths, so see if they like to learn about trading too and whatnot. But anyways, yeah, I love y'all. Let's have a good day tomorrow. See you in the charts. Let's focus on that discipline over dopamine and stay healthy, boys. GL Eagles. We got hour and 20 minutes till the Eagles play. Let's go. Let's get them Commanders, boy.